Hey, welcome back for part 3. So this one, we have, we need to find the value of v. And it's interesting because it's in all 4 of the angles. So it's very curious. I am going to take the 7v plus 99 and say, okay, this needs to be equal to 16v plus 72. And I think this is going to be the easiest way for me to do this problem. Technically, you could say something like 7v plus 99 plus 18v plus 6 or something equals 180 because you know that those are supplementary. But I don't feel like that's necessarily going to be easier. I feel like just setting it equal to each other is going to be just as simple. So I'm going to solve this. Okay, so I get v equals 3 for those to be congruent. Something that makes me a little curious about this is, like, does it work for the other angles? So I'm going to just check it. I'm going to plug in 3 for v for this equation because it needs to work for E and G as well. Okay, so 3 plus 57 equals 18 times 3 plus 6. And then this is kind of funny. I did this problem a minute ago and I stopped the recording because I was like, why isn't this working? And it's because I did 2 times 3 instead of 1 times 3 plus 2. Just funny stuff. But anyway, we get 60 equals 60, so that works. I can confidently say v is 3. Awesome. Now you're up to 85. Well, let's keep going, okay? If uv equals 13a minus 18 and ux equals 7a, find ux in the parallelogram. So we know it's a parallelogram. I'm going to draw my picture so that I actually know what I'm doing. Otherwise, I'm clueless. So they're talking about sides, some segments. So we have v, w, u, x, and y. And they say uv, okay, so that'd be nice. So that'd be this, and then ux is 7a. Okay, so this is not too bad at all. We're going to say that 13a minus 18 equals 7a. It's actually incredibly not terrible. If it's a parallelogram, we know that those have to be equal to each other, so that's what we do. We set them equal to each other and we solve. That's going to give us a, but then technically it does say find ux. So if I plug in my answer for A, I'm going to be in trouble. This is not going to have it right. I need to put 7 times whatever A is. Okay. So let's just go through this really fast. That would be 6, negative 6A. And then that means that A is going to be positive 3, but don't put that as your answer because ux is equal to 7 times 3, which is 21. So you want 21 as your answer. Woo, woo. All right. Man, it's going to end this in just a second for me again. This one you would set 11u plus 10 equal to 16u. I'm going to finish doing all of these problems because I'm having fun, but I don't think I'm going to make another video, okay? So